How's it going, everybody? James, welcome to the Brothers Barn. Today we got a busy day. We got a big sidewalk, about 1,000 square foot, to wash, seal, and put some shark grip on. And then we got a roof wash and a nest. So we're at the site right now, getting the lines ran for doing the sidewalk. I'll show you what we're dealing with. So there's the truck. We're hooking up to here. Now, if you remember, we washed quite a few roofs over in the fall last year, and we're back at that job site doing it now. This is one of those roofs right now. I'll give you a better picture. Hold on. That is one of the roofs of many that we washed out here. That was completely covered in moss, and look at it now. That's looking really nice. Okay, this is the walkway that we will be cleaning, sealing, and adding anti-slip adhesive to. Like I said, it's about 1,000 square foot. There's that. There's that. There's that. There's that. And to the end. Back to the truck. There's another roof that we washed that was covered in moss. And that one. Look at that beautiful view. So nice and peaceful. And you got someone so loud. Gosh. Can't even relax on this nice place. Mr. Loud over there. But for the concrete, it's coming clean. So looking a lot better. Out there having fun on the boat. New design for the walkway. This is how dirty it is. So we just got done cleaning concrete walkway. It was a bigger job than what we was expecting, but got it done, looking good. And we just got out of doing this estimate. Okay, we just got back from estimating this customer's deck, and it's a really big deck. So they had issues where they said they used Sherwin-Williams oil-based stain last year, and it literally took 6 months to a year to dry. It was tacky the whole time. So they want all that stripped off, cleaned, because it's got black mold on it, which is, I'm guessing, because it never dried. Because something for a year shouldn't be, you know, that getting black mold. But anyways, so he wants an estimate for that. We did talk to him about his roof, so he might end up calling us for a roof wash, which would be awesome. And we're gonna see how that goes. But they definitely, I don't even think they want us to use the normal ingredients. So we're gonna have to find some different environmental friendly products, even for stripping the wall base off, which might be a challenge. So we'll see what we come up with, but we're gonna go get us some grub, then we're gonna go do this roof wash. And while we was doing the walkway, we got 2 phone calls to go do an estimate, and so we got 2 more estimates to do today too. So it's gonna be a busy day. It's almost 2 p.m. and we got a long ways to go. Alright, we're gonna get some food. See you in a bit. This is the roof wash we're working on today. You can see the black stains and moss over there. See all that moss? Isaac's just cleaning off all the loose debris, as you can see. And I'm gonna work on cleaning the gutters. The deck that we sealed a couple weeks ago, look how looking good. It's looking nice. Alright, so we just got done doing our last estimate. We had an estimate for a big deck to be cleaned and some patio underneath the deck. And then we went to this little customer's house, and they were wanting their driveway washed, the little patio up front, and then a little walkway in the back, plus a little sunroom. So a couple big job estimates, which is pretty nice. It's 8 p.m. right now. I think we started around 7:30 a.m. leaving the house, so been about a 12-hour day. We're gonna call that a day, a good long Sunday, and then we have to go back to the one house to seal the walkway. It's raining right now. It's not like super super raining, but it's sprinkling out there, so couldn't sell it today. So we'll have to go back in a few days because it's supposed to rain the next few days. So we'll go back and get that sealed. Alright, well, you guys all have a great evening, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Later, everyone.
Later.